that? Where's the freaking binoculars?
Sit still.
I got a clear view of it. That white speck.
No, a big black.
That form.
Wes, stop moving. Kelsey, sit down. What is that? A tree?
I don't know.
Boy, wouldn't we shit if it turned out it was?
Hey, I'm recording, so.
Oh. He's making stuff for the interwebs. Shh.
I think it's a tree.
Look at the burned out stuff.
Holy crap.
Wow.
That looked like something from back there.